So we're getting packed up here at Blanco State Park. We're about an hour outside of San Antonio where we're heading next. Another thing has cropped up since we've been on this trip. Our car has been making some really bad noises up in the front left wheel area. It sounds like it might be a bad wheel bearing from what I can tell. So we're gonna have to head into San Antonio today and find somewhere and try to get that repaired because it's pretty bad. I don't know that we can continue on very far as it is. I dropped the car off at the car repair place. It's about 1.5 miles from the KOA campground we're staying at here in San Antonio. It's a little bit of a rough neighborhood, but not too bad. So I just walked back. I'm heading to the KOA right now, and I'll hang out here and hopefully they can get it fixed today. If not, tomorrow wouldn't be the end of the world. We're gonna be here for a couple days anyways. So just cross my fingers that it's not super expensive and we can be back on the road eventually. You can see the downtown skyline of San Antonio from the road right here outside our campground. Luckily, the KOA allowed us to check in before the 4 o'clock check-in so that we could put our camper in its site and be able to detach the car to take it in to get it repaired. Otherwise, I was a little worried how this is all going to work out. So that was really nice of them. And the kids have been able to go and spend time here and swim instead of taking the car in and walking all the way back like I just had to do. Here's our site that we got here at the KOA. It's not too bad considering. Usually don't stay at these type of places, but in this circumstance we want to be close to the city, and the kids also have a pool they get to enjoy. It's a beautiful day. Whoa.
Game of ping pong.
They have a pretty neat little pavilion here that has games, board games, puzzles. It has some things out where kids can draw. There's a giant Connect 4, boost ball, ping pong. There's also a screen. I think they show movies here late at night. It looks like they're going to show one tonight, so that'll be fun. It's nice just to kick back and relax and enjoy the nice sunny weather that we have while our car is being fixed. We are riding the bus right outside the campground downtown. We just got off the bus right by the Alamo, so we're going to walk over there and then head to the river walk. There is the Alamo, right over there. There's Davy Crockett himself, the guy that died here, James Bowie. And that right there is his famous Bowie knife. Our first look at the Riverwalk. We have arrived at the San Antonio Riverwalk, which is just by the Alamo. This place right here we found is completely surrounded by a shopping mall on all sides. I can't wait to see what the rest of it looks like. It's pretty awesome so far. This place is really amazing, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's like so many things to explore. Both sides of the river, and there's like up and down and just stuff everywhere to look at. Well, let's go look at it. In the middle of my 1.5 mile walk from the campground back to pick the car up, it said it's ready to go, so it'll be good to get that back. Back at the campground now, and I picked up the car. Everything seems to be good, running well. And we are gonna get ready to go downtown and explore. After getting our car repaired, we are finally back downtown San Antonio, and we're gonna do a little more shopping and sightseeing that we didn't get to do last night. And this time we drove. So last night we missed the last bus and had to take a different bus, and it kind of delayed us, so we got home late. So we're parking here this time in our own car, now that we have that. We're standing in line at the Alamo Church, ready to go in and see what's in there.
Do not touch or lean on the walls. Thank you for visiting the Alamo Church. Do not touch or lean on the walls. Thank you for visiting the Alamo
It says that this room was used as a place of safety for women and children during the Battle of the Alamo. There's a representation of what the room used to look like when it was fully painted. Those up there are the Six Flags of Texas. That's where Six Flags, the amusement park chain, the name comes from. Spain, France, United States, Texas, Mexico, and the Confederacy.
These are things that a militiaman down here at this time period may carry in his backpack. You got your nightlight. Okay. Again, if you can read or write, let it journal. If you can write, cool. You get to eat. What do you think that's called?
It's a liquid, Mom. What do these look like?
Well, today you'd call it a sewing kit, but at this time it was called a housewife. This represents over 3 acres of land.
Oh.
What do you think they're buying? Toothbrushes or land? Land. They may have one for the whole family. It's okay, drums haven't been invented yet.
Yeah.
This one's called ship's biscuit or sea biscuit. Nothing but flour, water, or a pinch of salt to bake it like 2 or 3 times. And they had another name for it. Molar breakers. Because if you ate it like this, it would break your teeth. But the thing is, it never went bad. You just had to soak it before you ate it. Now the Civil War, they're still going to be issuing this to troops, but it's going to be called hardtack.
Hemisphere Park. That's over by the big, tall observation tower here in San Antonio. The Tower of Americas, I think it's called. There was a World's Fair here back in the day, I think, and so they've really developed this area into a pretty cool place with all kinds of cool park features and playgrounds. There's a really neat water feature just across the way from here. I'll go check that out in a bit.
Well, at least Kylie and I have really swollen feet. I don't know about everybody else, but we've been soaking our feet in here. It's really cold water. It doesn't feel cold now, but it did at first. So
Well,
hopefully it's helping.
that's nice. We're at Casa Rio, right here along the river walk, and we've got an awesome seat underneath this bridge, and there's the river right there, and awesome lights and cool stuff all surrounding us. We've received our food, and it looks really good.